In this video, you are going to discover how to get funded up to $300,000 as a Forex trader. Yes, up to $300,000 as a Forex trader. You know, many of my students have been asking me, okay, they are trading with $100, $200, $500, or maybe $1,000 account. And the questions have been, okay, how can I get someone to fund me? How can I get someone to fund my trading? That is what we're going to be looking at, or that's what we're going to be looking into in this video. So before we continue, make sure if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, first of all, I want to welcome you to this channel. Do me a favor, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell button so that you'll be notified when next we upload new video. So I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that, and we shall continue with this video. Risk disclaimer. All right, welcome back, my friend. My name is Emmanuel Adigbola, popularly known as the Forex Apostle. I trade Forex market for a living. I disciple others to success in Forex, and of course, I just enjoy what I do. And I want to welcome you to this video. So in today's video, we're going to be looking into how you as a Forex trader can get funded up to $300,000. Depends on your ability and your capability. So let's start from, from the scratch. Okay. First of all, you have to know what you are doing before you get funded. You know, many people have been asking me, okay, how can I do this? How can it be possible? So that actually, took me on the journey and how to research. Please, just a little bit of disclaimer, I'm not affiliated with any company that I'm going to be mentioning. It's just what I discovered out of my research. And of course, I've seen that they funded so many people. I see that a lot of people are getting results with them. But before I tell you about the company that I found out, first of all, as I said, you need to know what you are doing. If you are trading with that $100 account, how diligent are you with that account? Like what I do tell my students. So let's assume that you have $100 account. Okay, let's just start from there. You have $100 account. How can you prove to yourself that you can grow this account? If you can grow this account, this $100 account, you can grow it to, let's say, $120 account. Or if you are trading with $1,000 account, if you are trading with $1,000 account, if you can grow this account to $1,200, okay, this is 20%. Okay, this is 20% ROI. So, and how can you make that happen? First of all, when you are trading, you need to track. You need to track your trading. Okay, you need to track your trading. So by tracking, you'll be able to see, okay, how many percentage return on the investment you are having. Okay, I use our FX Blue. There's a video that I created a long time ago on how to integrate your account with FX Blue. I'm going to put a link also below this video at the description. Make sure you check that out. So if you are trading with $1,000 account and you are able to take that account to $1,200, that is 20% return on your investment. Now, it is very easy for you to approach me. Let's say, for instance, I have some money to invest. Let's say I have like $10,000 to invest. If you could demonstrate to me, if you could show me proof that, okay, you know what, Emmanuel, I'm a Forex trader and I'm looking for private investors. I'm willing to give you 20% return or 10% return. After all, most banks will give you 1%, 1 to 1.5% in a year. Okay, most banks will give you 1 to 1.5% in US. So it means if you put your $10,000 in your checking account, is going to be actually like 9,000 plus at the end of 1 year. And if you put your $10,000 into CD or all these savings account or some investment account, most of them will give you about 1% at the end of a whole year. So 1% of 10,000 will be like $100, right? So if you could show me, okay, you know what, instead of you getting $100 over your money, I will give you, let's say, 20%. That is $2,000 over 10,000. Man, come on. 9 out of 10 people will rush at that because it's not common. So now that is one. You could get private investors that will invest into your trading, and you'll be able to grow your account with that. So you can go on the sharing formula. Now, there are 2 types of handling this. Number one, you can just shoulder all the liabilities or the risk. What that means is that somebody give you $10,000. Okay, somebody give you $10,000, and the agreement is, okay, after 1 year, you go pay that person back with $12,000. So whatever you make extra outside of this is your own. That is your profit. And if you lose the money, you are still at risk. You still have to pay this person the $12,000. Okay, you get that right. Okay, cool. So if you know what you are doing, you can get 20% return on your investment, 30, 40. So, I mean, an average 7 out of 10. I mean, that is even too, that is too much. Let me say 8 out of 10 Forex traders lose money. Okay, 8 out of 10 lose money. So the remaining 2, maybe one of them will make around 20% return every year. So if you are able to be making 30 to 40%, man, it means you are killing it. And if you know your skills, you know what you are doing very well, you can actually double this money also in a year. That means that from 1,000 you can grow it to $2,000. So let's say somebody give you $10,000 and you're able to grow the money to $20,000. You pay this person $12,000, then you pocket $8,000 profit. So that is how to do all of that, dealing with private investors, if you know what you are doing. Now, the second way is there are some companies that can fund you. And during my research, I was able to find out that one of them is FTMO. And please, once again, I am not affiliated with them. I have not used them before. But from the research that I have done, I discovered that they are one of the few best are out there. So you can go to their website, ftmo.com. You can read about their processing, the challenges that you have to pass, and the process, how to go about it. They can fund you $1,000, $10,000, $50,000, $100,000, and even up to $300,000. Now, FTMO will give you, I mean, as I said, I have not done it before, so please don't hold my word. Do your own research. Now, but from what I have discovered, if you use them and you know what you are doing, at the end of the transaction, you keep 70% of the profit. Okay, I think that is really, really cool. You keep 70%. You see, 70% for you, 70% go to you, and the FTMO keep 30%. So your funder, which is the FTMO now, keep 30%, you keep 70%. But you have to go through their challenge, you have to pass the challenge. So let's assume that you are funded $100,000 and you know what you are doing. Okay, $100,000, if you are able to double this within the period, or you are able to make 20% or 30% or 40%, depends on the duration. And then let's say, okay, out of this $100,000, you make profit of, let's just say $10,000. And they give you 70% of that. That is $7,000 for you that you can now use to fund your own account and begin to trade big. You see, in Forex, you actually enjoy Forex when you start playing with big accounts. When you have a small account, yes, you can be risking like 50%, 80%, even 90% of your account. But when you are dealing with big accounts, then you know that you have to cut down your risk. So, and in order for you to handle this very well, you have to understand, okay, risk management, money management, and all of this. I hope this video has dropped some tips and just giving you some insight on how you can grow that small account to big account. In case you are watching this video and you need a mentor, you need somebody that you can ask questions anytime, someone that can hold you by hand and show you how to harvest pips online, someone that is not just talking the theory. I posted a video how I made $100,000 in a month, and I could see some people putting, oh, scam, this, that. I mean, it's right there with proof right there. And if you have not seen that video also, I'm going to post it below this video at the description. Make sure you watch the video. Yes, you can make it happen. Yes, it can happen for you also. But you have to learn how to start that account small and grow it big. You can start small, think big, but act now. So I would like to connect with you, my friend. I would like to see your struggle. I would like to know your struggle. I would like to know how I can be of help to you. So what you need to do is go to www.meetforexapostle.com, www.meetforexapostle.com. So once you get there, it will ask you some few questions just for me to get to know you. Then after you submit the form, you go see a link where you can schedule a time to meet with me. Either myself or my team member will meet with you and we'll be able to see how we can work together. Okay, once again, I want to say a very big thank you, and I hope that you are harvesting those pips. And if you need help harvesting those pips, that is why the Forex Apostle is here, and I'm ready to disciple you to profit. And until next time, on this video, on this channel, keep harvesting the pips, my friend. I'll see you in the next video.
Tradermatic, making trading fun, easy, and profitable. Visit www.tradermatic.net to get your copy at 80% discount today.